Alright.
Yeah, what's going on with it?
What's happening with you?
Nothing much, man. Just trying to get the mindset ready for the next week.
Mindset for next week, man.
I mean, it's simple. I'm pretty much just sticking with one pair, so I don't get lost with the market structure.
You sure you're sticking with one pair so you don't get lost with the market structure?
Yeah, pretty much, man.
Man, that shit is it's really important, man. I'm actually about to delete some pairs right now.
I'm gonna just stick with EJ.
EJ?
Yeah, you should hop on EJ with me, or I don't know what pair you like.
I'm trading gold, man.
You can stick with gold.
Because let's just take a look. I'm just gonna look for the easiest setup right now, breaking it down by the daily. So like gold, it's clear market structure with bearish, right?
Yeah.
And we just closed with a wick to the upside, and we have wicks to fill to the left side. So like I could see gold coming to fill the wicks down to 1841, and then eventually coming down to 1820, 1830, and 50 to 30, bro. That's 300 pips. So that's a lot. That's obviously we gotta break it down in the 4 hour too. Wait till we have support and resist, or really just wait till we get a bearish close below 1848, and then she should fly to TP1, which will be 1842, and then 1832 TP2. So that's my pre-market analysis for gold. Let's just see GU too, bro. Honestly, bro, if you want an easy fucking week, buys all week. If you look at the daily chart, right now we're breaking a previous daily high that I've had in for fucking
What pair are we talking about? GU?
GU, yeah, bro.
Okay.
I'm gonna add it into the chat right now. Oh, I can't. Damn, you can't even put no pictures in the chat.
Yeah,
Share.
definitely buys above, but we do got to keep in mind that on the daily, we are closing above or below the previous 1.26400 level for anybody that's trading GU this week.
Yeah, so but we did close bullish above 126 psychological level.
Yeah, I see that.
Look at what I just sent you right now. We do have rejections on the wicks, but it really could just be a area for price to fill in.
Yeah, I can see it a retest over there.
Yeah, so like a retest is psychological 26, and if we can hold that level, have stops below 25, like 850, 950, then the buy
However, I could also see this next candle dropping, continuing back down.
to go with the major trend, huh?
You know,
Yep, definitely.
I can see both ways, but
But
that's any
but
confirmation
but
above 126 600.
yeah, 126.
But all week I'm looking at EJ right now, to be
All
honest
right,
with you.
here, let's
And the
see.
monthly, I believe, is gonna flip bullish on EJ. And I think it's looking the same on GJ also. Because if you look at the weekly candle still hasn't filled the high on GJ at 161 800, and I believe it will do so this week.
You said 136. Are you talking about DJ or EJ?
161 800. What I say? 136.
But are you talking about EJ or DJ?
I was talking about EJ, but it's the same on GJ.
Yeah, break the previous weekly.
Yeah, I think GJ is gonna continue filling this wick like how EJ did. But if you look on GJ, the weekly is closing with the bullish hammer also. So we should at least continue to fill up to 161 800, right? Where you can see a nice little daily resistance right there. But you can also see a little daily resistance at 161 psychological level. But there's a tweezer top, so that's a nice little buy stop area too.
Yeah, I think once we break 162, it's a wrap. It should be a wrap.
Yeah.
for DJ at least. It's kind of looking, yeah, it's looking kind of tough. But honestly, no, we just need to break the structure. If we get a
Sorry,
break
you're
of
cutting
structure,
out.
then yeah, and we close bullish above 160, 800, it'll be DJ buys for sure.
16800. Yeah, but I'm sticking. I'm honestly just sticking only with EJ this week. So
You're sticking only with EJ?
yeah,
Yeah,
you
but
might
I'm
end up
gonna.
seeing me in a GJ buy or something.
You said what?
I said you might end up seeing me in a GJ buy or something, but I'm focusing only on EJ.
Hell yeah, my focus right now is probably gold. It might and GU, gold and GU, because that daily, bro. Once we start breaking, once we start breaking 126, 360, it's a wrap. Like we can go all the way up to 127, 127, 500 damn near.
Yeah, yeah, but I mean, pretty much bottom line, dude. Like we already pretty much got all the education out the way, right? So now we just have to execute, man. Psychologically, just have to
Yeah,
execute because we already know there's profitability, within our setups.
yep.
You know what I mean?
It's just their psychology, man.
It's really just a probability game now.
You
There's
still know that.
probability in the probabilities, baby.
That's all it is, man. Show up and be ready to execute.
Sure.
No emotions, dude.
And also
Make
wait for volume, man. That's
wait for
important.
volume. Yeah, but that shit is important. That shit is really important. Waiting for volume.
That is important, guys. This
Hell
one should
yeah.
be recorded. This one should be like the first very recorded one for AIP Traders Podcast. Anybody could hit me up on Instagram, get to know us first, and then maybe we'll invite you over to talk. You know what I mean?
Hella. Let everybody get their little saying.
Sure.
But yeah, man, fucking psychology, bro. It's huge this week. Trading
Yeah, psychology.
solely off the skill and not the monetary, not the money. That's a really key thing right there.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm signing up for another funded account too. So if anybody's listening, what we do is we pretty much just sign up for funded accounts, 25K, 50K, 100K, 250K. Past the funded accounts, you got to make 10% or 8% in the first month, or yeah, 8% in the first month, 5% in the second month. But you can also pass it in 10 days. The whole process.
5 day phase one, 5 day phase two.
Sure. So I
Oh
mean,
man.
you get yourself funded with a little small fee to sign up for the account. Now you got capital to trade with, so you can welcome yourself into the dollar trade club, man.
For real.
Bro.
Dude, we gotta make a
And this,
YouTube Dollar Trade Club.
yeah, and I mean we could literally pass this shit like you know what I mean.
I'll
We
pass
could
that
pass
within
this shit
like
like
2 days for sure.
yeah, we could pass this shit in like in a couple of days if we really wanted to. So this is
Hmm.
definitely not an opportunity you want to give up if you're not signing up for funded accounts right now. And if you don't know how to pass them, if you don't know what you're doing, definitely hit us up. You know what I mean? 'Cause that's what this is about. Like I'm trying to uplift the people. Like I used
Oh
to be in
yeah.
a position, I used to be in the dark where I didn't even know about any funded accounts. I was putting $100 into like what NAS 100 trades,
Man.
Sunday night buys, get bragged, or either that or just make a lot of money. But it was just like I could have just been putting $100 into a 10K funded account, which is $84, or $150 for a 20K account, or $300 for a 50K account.
Man.
It's just like I had no idea. So if I could just reach out to someone, like me back in the day. You know what I mean? That has no idea, but has the motivation and the desire, to just run it up.
Man, we gotta run it up, man. We just gotta keep
Back
it
then,
going.
back then I needed that motivation, right? All that shit, but now that motivation's dead. Now, you know what I mean?
We are the
It's like
motivation, man.
it's like yeah, like it's like it's I wouldn't say it's dead. It's just like it's regular now. You know what I'm saying? The next level is discipline. Like
For real. It's honestly, trading with no emotion and literally letting like accepting your loss and moving forward. Like, cause
yeah,
that's the only thing that's gonna stop us from like follow the rules, be disciplined, and like do whatever you can to make sure you can gauge your psychology. Because
yeah,
that's all this game is, bro. It's a battle between you and yourself, and you and how you view the markets from a psychological perspective. Like like
exactly,
if
man.
if you view the markets as threatening, then you're gonna end up shooting yourself in the foot. But you can only view the markets as threatening when you don't follow rules. When you find yourself over risking, find yourself over leveraging, finding yourself not entering at 4 hour zones and it's a higher probability to enter it. All these things. So it's really like
Yeah,
week after week, our main focus here at AIP is to control those emotions and to control that psychology, that trading psychology.
yeah.
That's what
I mean, what's I think I heard was it Daniel Savage? I heard Daniel Savage say it the other day.
hmm.
He made a video where he was like talking about like say you're like fishing, you're
Say
like
what?
fishing. He said like pretend you're on like a paddle boat or something, right? And you're fishing for food, right? Because you're hungry and you need to eat, right?
Hmm.
And then like say like you're catching fish, right? You catch a fish one day, boom, you're eating. You wait the next day to catch another fish. You catch another fish, right? And then one day there's a shark in the water, right? He said if you keep throwing your bait in the water, the shark's not gonna leave. The shark's just gonna keep taking your bait.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you gotta wait. You gotta chill out.
You gotta wait for the shark to leave, man, and just like
Damn,
come
that's
back. You gotta come back, bro. Fish another day.
you got to and bro, like knowing when to fish another day is so crucial and it's so important. Like in all honesty too, we have the formula and whether you want to follow the formula or not, whether you can follow the formula or not, will lead to a trader's success. Like, and that formula is so simple: one or two trades a day, 1 to 2% risk per trade, and like that's it. Like it's you. Like I don't even think it gets like obviously there's more shit that goes along with it, but bro,
Yeah, but it's like don't lose 5% in one day, man. You're fine. You won't lose your
like
funded account, bro.
come back the next day. Like
Um,
it's just like it's so hard to not stay above water if you follow these rules. But the thing is, like we put a trade on and we get stopped out instantly, and then all the emotions get triggered. Like, damn, I just lost money that quick, or damn, this happened like this, and damn, like I actually thought it was gonna go this way, but now it's going this way. Maybe I should sell, and then you get change your bias, and then boom, that's your two trades. But now it goes back in your original direction, and then now you're finding yourself like in the third trade, and you don't even realize that you've been scaling in. So like all those positions start to add up. Like 1 or 2 trades a day would have stopped that.
yeah,
1 to 2% risk would have stopped that. Per trade it would have stopped it. Like, and these are little rules that we have in place, bro. That like it's almost like going to the gym, like working out, working out, working out. Like you gotta work out these rules, bro. Like feed the bigger wolf.
yeah. I mean, yeah, like it is what it is, you know. Like we can't change the market structure. Like we just got to go with it. Right? Like,
Yeah, exactly. And it's so hard to go with it because it's so like it's so rapid, bro, and it moves so quick. So the only way we can emotionally go with it, like, and actually be able to sustain consistent success is like those rules, bro. Literally.
yeah, yeah. Those rules are there for a reason.
No,
They're not there just to,
they're there, bro.
you
Like,
know.
you know,
Yeah,
and
one
like,
hundred percent, man.
like
One
yeah,
hundred
man.
percent, bro.
That's a yeah, man. Psychology. Following rules, being disciplined.
Hey, stop throwing the bait at that shark in the water, man. Let that shark leave.
I know.
Get that shark out of there, man.
Let that shark get up out of there.
He's like a whale, really. He's a whale eating up like
He's really a whale
100,000 baits.
eating the bait, the shark eating everybody up, dude. It's gnarly.
Oh man, get that shark out of here.
Like that shark out of here.
Yeah, that was a beautiful analogy. I really like that one.
Yeah, that's solid. Damn savage for that. Make me really think about my trades before getting in them.
Yeah,
You know.
yeah, but I think it's just like like sometimes like it's like you're not gonna know if there's a shark under there, right? Sometimes like he's gonna eat your bait, and you just gotta like you pull your line up and realize your line's bit off
Yeah.
halfway. You know what I mean? You're
Yeah.
like, damn, motherfucker, devoured that one.
Yeah. You gotta
You
get up
know,
out
it's
of
like
there.
just call it, man. You get devoured, just call it a day, man. You know,
Damn. You gotta call it a day sometimes. But those be the worst. Those really do be bad. But no, it's like a perception of bad though. Like, it's like
yeah, it's not bad. It's a business expense, right? It's like,
yeah, it's literally probabilities playing out. So like you can't be like a little girl about the loss, bro. You gotta keep it pushing.
feel that.
And it's tough sometimes, bro. It's tough to just take it easy.
No, it is. I think it's one of the hardest things about being a trader is taking a loss, man.
It's
A lot of
it's
people
probably the
can't
hardest
handle
thing.
that. They'll take a loss and they'll be like, you know what, it's not for me. I don't like losing.
Yeah,
You know.
it's crazy. Yeah, it's insane. Yeah, you don't know
Uh,
how to function when you're losing. It's crazy, dude. Like it's really like I'm thinking about it right now. I don't even know how I'm still doing this shit. Like, damn, I've incurred so many losses, but you just keep coming back better, and you learn new things.
well, I think that's what success is, bro. It's kind of like being like stubborn at the same time. You know, just
Yeah, being
like
stubborn
being
to it.
stubborn and just ignoring everything else. Like obviously, there's other ways that we can make money. There's probably ways we can make more money right now if we focus on something for the next 3, 4, 5, 6 months and just drop trading. We'll probably make more money in the next 6 months than we would trading in the next 6 months. But
Right,
it's like we're thinking about it in the long run. We're talking 10 years from now. Like like
100K days.
we want the $1 billion. We're not just going for the
I want 100K in one day, dude. 200K in one day. Like what? That's what they doing over here.
exactly, man.
That's what we about to be doing over here.
And I mean, everybody's welcome. I welcome everybody. You saw on my Instagram, right? It's like
Mhm.
everybody's welcome, bro. Anybody wants to join, they can join, bro. I'm not really, you know, we take all shapes and sizes, bro.
For real. Oh yeah, dude.
And the thing is, like, you don't even have to learn how to trade, really. You can just take signals,
We
you
could.
know.
We could just take signals. They're pretty. They've been hitting.
There's more people out here just coming out with signals.
It's crazy.
Um, I was thinking about that too. I was like, there's so many signal providers out here, bro. They don't need another signal provider out here, you know.
Yeah, everybody got a signal to send, dude.
Yeah, I'm just curious on what else we can offer, what kind of value we can offer to the people, you know. So if anyone got any ideas, hit up Segura Global on Instagram.
Oh yeah. Well, we're gonna get it, bro. In due time. In due time, we finna have value for these people, man. For these folks.
Um,
But yeah, bro. I think that was a solid chat. This is our second one.
yeah, it was our second one, but this is our first recorded one, so this is pretty much officially the first one that if anybody wants to backtrack into our first podcast,
Okay, okay.
yep, you're listening to it right now.
Yes, sir. Alan, man. So trading psychology, controlling emotions, and you know, weight. Really, just
And then market overview for the week.
and market overview. Solid.
Alrighty, I'll talk to you.
Huh?
We'll continue the podcast again next week.
Next week, man. We'll be back at it again.
Yes, sir. We have signals on Telegram, uh, free 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 platform on Discord, and then follow us on Instagram, TSO Trades and Segura Global.
Sirski.
Sir.
Make it happen, man. Hopefully, you have an amazing week. Hopefully, the church bless us, and see how she plays out.
All right. Hope you have an amazing week too, man. Take care.
Thank you, bro. You too, man. Take care.